Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix can't install Instagram in Play Store. You can see friends, if this message shows try again and if it still does not work, see common ways to fix the problem. It's generally occur when your smartphone is full of space, your storage is full. You have to clear the cache and delete unwanted items from your device, like go to files by Google. You have to clear our images, audios, videos, documents, downloads from here. Then here it is internal storage. You can also clear cache data from the settings, and here are all the apps. If some apps are not usable, you have to simply click on uninstall and click on this, and it will be simply deleted, and now you can install your app which you want to install. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.